Welcome folks, this is Wear and Tear Linz. Before I show you the footage of the Beaver I got to see a few days ago, I'd like to explain the context. Linz is the third largest city in Austria with a high population density, lots of jobs and commuters, and heavy industry, including steel and chemical plants. Over decades, thanks to strict environmental protection laws and technological innovation, it was possible to get clean air and water, while still keep competitive industrial production within the city limits. The biodiversity inside the city limits is as high or even higher than in the surrounding countryside. Many animals don't mind human activity at all, and in fact they seem to appreciate it. Of course, a few basic rules need to be met, like there shouldn't be active hunting for food or something, and it is very important to build the city in a way that allows for large green areas that are also useful for relaxation and recreation. And also those critters typically need little corners where they can easily hide. If you build a city that way, you can have a large urban area bustling with human activity while still enjoying a full range of plant and animal life, save of course the apex predators like wolves, bears, and most likely bobcats. At least most people are very sure that we don't have bobcats in and around Linz, although there was a mysterious sighting last year. Now enjoy the footage, please.